In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to limit responses in Google Forms. This is especially useful when you want to control how many people submit responses for events, surveys, or any form where maximum capacity is a concern. Together, we'll walk through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to manage your forms efficiently. First, let's get started by opening your web browser and heading over to Google Forms. Sign in with your Google account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see your dashboard with the forms you've created in the past. Or, if you're new, you'll have the option to create a new form. You can either choose to use an existing form for this demonstration or create a brand new one, depending on your specific need. After opening or creating your form, it's time to look for the settings icon. You'll find this in the upper right corner of the screen, resembling a gear. Click on it, and a new window with several options will appear on your screen. This is where you can adjust various aspects of how your form operates. Let's focus on the Responses section here, which is crucial for limiting entries. In the Responses section, you'll find the option to set the number of responses to 1 per user. This feature requires respondents to sign in with a Google account, thereby ensuring that each Gmail account can only respond once. If you wish to set a specific limit beyond 1 per user, Google Forms itself doesn't provide this, but there's a practical workaround. You can install an add-on to manage more advanced limits. To do this, click on the 3 vertical dots found in the upper right-hand corner of your screen, just next to the profile icon. Select Add-ons from the drop-down menu. In the Add-ons window, search for options like Form Limiter. Once you find it, click to install the add-on by following the on-screen instructions. You'll need to grant the necessary permissions for it to function. Once installed, return to your form, and you'll see the Form Limiter icon in your add-ons menu. Click on it, and you'll be presented with various options to cap form submissions. You can set a maximum number of responses, limit based on a date, or even stop accepting responses based on a Google Sheet condition. Select your preferred option, and don't forget to save these settings. After configuring everything, you'll want to preview your form to make sure everything looks perfect. You can share your form using the Send button at the top right, allowing you to distribute via email, link, or embed. And that's it. By now, you should have a solid understanding of how to limit responses in Google Forms. Implementing these steps will give you control over the data collection process, tailoring it to fit your needs perfectly. Thanks for watching. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.